Hey guys, today I want to talk something about job hunting. I'm not an expert in this field, but I have some experience. I have worked in many institutions. I changed my jobs. I switched from one institution to another institution. I could do this all successfully. I hope successfully. That's what I wanted to share with you. Anyone, if you want to find a job, there is no point in asking somebody to find a job for you because that is none of their business. No one is going to find a job for you. They have their own things, or they may be looking for a job for themselves. Then how they can help you finding a job? They will not look for a job. Please, that will not work. Why I am saying is this because I had WhatsApp groups for teachers. There were 5 or 6 groups at the peak, and there were many teachers. The idea of the WhatsApp group was to help teachers each other to find jobs. For example, suppose a physics teacher, he is finding some job opportunities in chemistry or biology or in some other subject, the teacher will be sharing in the group. Similarly, another biology teacher, if he is finding a job other than biology, it is not useful for him. So he must share the job opportunity to the group. This was my idea. This was the concept. I told everybody now and then before joining, after joining, during the discussion, this is how the things are going to work. But unfortunately, only very few of them, less than 10 people in the group. I mean, in the groups, in all these 5 or 6 groups, were sharing the job opportunities, but others were very curiously looking at the jobs. They wanted to find some job from the group. They use it. They get the job. Of course, when they get the job, they will not acknowledge. They will not say any word to the group or the people who shared the job opportunity. But when they have some issues like some people will be getting job through some agents. So the agents will be asking some commission from this employee, and later there will be some issues. So that time they will pop up and they will complain to the group. They complain the group. The problem is with the group. And the problem is with the me because problem is with me because I'm the one organized the group, founded the group. So I'm the culprit, not the person who is employed or not the person who is asking commission. No, I'm the one or the group is the one. So this is what is happening. My point is here is please don't let others to find a job for you. They are not going to do it because that is none of their business. You find your job. You find your job, especially because you only know what you really want, which location you want, what kind of job profile you are looking for, what subject, which subject, all the details, what kind of working time. Everything is yours. It is nobody else's choice. This is completely your choice. So you have to find it. So how to find it? If you really want a job, if you're looking for a job, what you have to do is you post a notice. Hey, this is me. This is my profile. I have these many things. This is my qualification. These are my skill set. If anybody want to if anybody want to offer a job, yeah, I'm ready. I'm willing to join and this is my salary expectation. These are my location preference. These are my demands. Post it. Post a notice. Where to post the notice? Not on the street. We have a good professional platform. That platform is LinkedIn. You post a job request in LinkedIn. In detail, you have to give all the details in detail. You have to give all your details, including your qualification, experience, skill set, and your other demands. And it will be good if you can post a video along with the request so that you can express your communication skill. and you can express yourself a little bit through a video. That will be very helpful because by watching the video, looking at the video, they can analyze. They will get some idea from your personality, how you present, how you talk, how you behave, how you approach to the things. You can give an introduction about all these things in the video, and that's it. This is the way. This is my way. This is how I do my job hunting. I suppose you can also follow this. If you feel this is a good idea, just take it. Just use it. Make use of it and grab your dream job. Have a wonderful day. Bye. Thank you for watching.